bright and bold, popping high and can't be told. Red pop, watch it fly. Up it zooms into the sky. Red pop, blue pop, yellow pop too. Colors are dancing just for you. Orange is spinning, green goes bowing. Let's all pop and color sing. Blue like oceans deep and wide, waving colors side to side. Blue pop, splishy splash. Jumping puddles make a splash. Red pop, blue pop, yellow pop too. Colors are dancing just for you. Orange is spinning, green goes bowing. Let's all pop and color sing. Yellow shines just like the sun, bright and happy, full of fun. Yellow pop, yellow cheer. Sunshine giggles ear to ear. Orange is a twisty swirl, like the sunset, watch it twirl. Orange pop, spin around, colors twinkle on the ground. Green like grass and jumping frogs, hiding in the leafy logs. Green pop, bowling frogs leap high, touching stars up in the sky. Red pop, blue pop, yellow pop too. Colors are dancing just for you. Orange is spinning, green goes bowing. Laugh and bounce and color sing. Now you know your colors well. Pop and giggle, jump and yowl. Boo-too!
Wow, kids, wasn't that a beautiful rhyme? We learned, we sang, and we had so much fun. But now it's time to get ready for the next one. So we'll see you again for another magical adventure.
And hey, if you loved the rhyme, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in time, so you never miss a moment of fun and cheer. More magical rhymes are always near.